Hey folks, got a 2021 Santa Fe here with a 4-cylinder. All right, want to check the air filter. Air filter is found right in here. All right, let's see what we got to do here. There's a little handle here. That's just pull out to open. So just lift it. Okay, little spring clip there. Open it wide. Your filter is right there. So to remove it, there's two little handles here. Just turn this one down, Ugh. And then has a little handle here that says pull. You're gonna pull it out. Just probably hit this, but just put it out on an angle like this. So I'm gonna grab it, slide it right out, nice and easy. Go around this little piece here. Okay, you're gonna hit that, wiggle it, comes right out. All right. So this is the side that goes to the engine. The other side is the part where you grab the air from the outside. And yes, it is dirty. Look at that. See that? It's filthy, people. Filthy. All right. So we got to change the air filter on this. I'll let the customer know if they want to go for it right now. So what we'll do here is we're going to throw it back in there for now. Same way. So if you got a new filter, you just slide it right in there like that. Okay, go all the way in, lock it, okay, the little clips there, and then this was slam close. There you go. Easy peasy, right? This is something you guys can do yourself. If you don't want to get dirty, put some gloves on and you'll be good. All right, that's it. Air filter, Santa Fe. Thanks for watching. Ciao. All right, folks. So I got the okay for the filter. Went to AutoZone. STP brand. SA50088. This is the one where they're going to do it with. Let's take it out of the box. Nice, fresh, clean. Comes with the little handle. Comes with the two little lock tabs. All right. So let's do it. Cover up. Lock tabs down. Pull the center. It's always easy with two hands. There you go. All right, remember what the filter look like? Yeah, pretty bad. All right, get the new one. Same way. Slides right in. Give it a little wiggle. Like that. Lock tabs down. Lock tabs down. All right, let's see what's wrong with the lock tab going down here, people. But it's in there pretty tight. Let's check it out. All right, so we found out why. The STP filters, these do not turn. They actually push in. All right, so these are the lock tabs for it. When it's in, you lock them like that. To release them, you pull it out. A little marking right over here that we failed to read. You know how us guys are, we don't read instructions. So it's push and pull. That's what this is. As compared to the original one, which is the lock design is the twist type. See it? So it locks this whole rod going in and out. On this one, the rod is a push and a pull. See it? All right, so what we'll learn that, we're gonna pull these tabs out. Sticks is in here like this. Okay, it's gonna push in, nice and neat, and we're gonna push these tabs in because it's an aftermarket one. There you go. Okay, locked in place. See, we learned something new, and you guys learned it with me at the same time. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching, people. STP. Always have to redesign the freaking lock tabs. But it's okay. Change is good. Thanks for watching, people. Change air filters. Don't forget, change the cabin filter too. Because if this is this dirty, that means your cabin filter is probably just as bad. All right? So tune in to the next video for the cabin filter if you want. Thanks for watching, people.